So today, it's going to be 81 degrees sunny right here in the state of Maryland. There will be mostly sunny skies. The high will be 92 degrees. Air quality with the yellow stuff of 69, that's moderate. Wind 5 miles per hour. Humidity more than 60%. Visibility 9.9 mile. Pressure 30 inch. Dew point 67 degrees. Alright, let's go over to the top of the radar, which is going to be wind. We're going to start off with the wind with the HD top of the radar. So check out the numbers. So we're on the blue stuff. However, we do have the highest number of the 9 miles per hour, which is in Easton, Salisbury, and Pocomoke City. 8 miles per hour in Lexington Park, 4 miles per hour in Baltimore and Washington, 2 miles per hour in Hagerstown and Frederick, 3 miles per hour in Cumberland. Now the clouds. So clouds are going to be in Cecil and Garrett County, and even in Ocean City. As you can see here, clouds are moving in Cecil County, Prince George County, Queensland, and Tabat, and even in Delaware. Even a little bit in Garrett County. So the direction of the clouds is going to be on the southeast. So the southeast side, the clouds are going to be moving. Now humidity. Humidity that we're definitely showing are going to be on the orange, green, light green, and almost towards the towards blue. So we're going to start off with the percentage of these numbers. The highest percentage is 60% in Washington, Easton, and Lexington Park. The mid of 50%, which is in Frederick, Baltimore, Salisbury, and Pocomoke City. More than 40%, the lowest, are going to be in Cumberland and Hagerstown. Now with the visibility, we're mostly on the gray stuff right here in the state of Maryland. So the numbers that you can see here that are going to be nearly 20 mile, more than 20 mile. I'll say it again just for you guys to be fully understand. So we do have the gray stuff of more than 12.4 mile. We do have nearly 20 mile and more than 20 mile. However, we do have the green stuff in Garrett County with 9.9 mile. Sea level pressure, we're showing 30 mile right here in the state of Maryland. So we do have more than 30 inch and nearly 30 inch. So I'll say it again just for you guys. So nearly 30 inch and more than 30 inch. And the dew point, we're showing the green stuff. So we do have nearly 70s, mid of 60s, and nearly the 60s right here in the state of Maryland. So I'll show you tomorrow. So tomorrow, as you can see here, there are going to be on the 70s and nearly 70s. In the meantime, we're showing the green stuff. Now with the air quality is going to be on the yellow right here in Maryland, and even a little bit on the green stuff. So you can see here 69 that are going to be moderate. Air quality is acceptable. However, members of sensitive groups may be at risk, so limit activities if sensitive. Close windows and doors. Now the numbers. Besides Baltimore, So you can see here with the numbers of Cumberland, Hagerstown, Frederick, Washington, Easton, Salisbury, Pocomoke City, and Lexington Park, and more are going to be nearly 50s, more than 50s, and on the 60s and nearly 60s. Now with the pollen are showing the orange are high, red are very high. So with the red are going to be very high, and Cumberland is going to be 92 degrees with more than 90. So in Allegheny County and Garrett County, as you can see here, it's going to be red are going to be very high. And the moderate, you can see here, are going to be in, let's say it's going to be in Baltimore County. But other than that, we're mostly on the orange are going to be high. Besides Cumberland with the numbers, the other numbers, so you can see here, Hagerstown are going to be on the 80s, Frederick 76, Baltimore 79, Washington 67, Easton 82, Salisbury 85, Lexington Park 81, and finally Pocomoke City 88. So it's going to be really hot. And even the temperatures are going to be on the 80s on the yellow stuff. So temperatures are going to be very, very hot. However, we have a little bit on the green stuff in Garrett County. If you live in Garrett County, you are going to be on the nearly 80s. That's the other side of Maryland, Western Maryland. Notice, with umbrella, there's no needs. Outdoors are going to be great. However, it's going to be really hot outside. So you might have to wear short sleeves and wear short pants. And also, drink plenty of fluids and Gatorade. So we're on the 80s. However, we do have more than 70s in Oakland, partly sunny, with nearly 80s, which is in sunny with Hagerstown and Bel Air. All right, the 80s, which is in Perryville, Frederick, Cumberland, Westminster, Washington, Annapolis, Elkton, Rock Hall, and Easton. So partly sunny is in Elkton. Mostly sunny is in Perryville. And so it's partly sunny, same thing in Oakland, like I've been telling you earlier. So we're mostly on the 80s, and two locations are going to be on nearly the 80s, which is in Hagerstown and Bel Air. And finally, the only one location are going to be more than 70 degrees, which is in Oakland. Now moving on to historical weather. We haven't even done the updates of the historical weather, but until now, we're going to be doing the updates. So, with the climate information, with hottest months are going to be July. That's the hottest month. Coldest month will be in January. Wettest month will be May to August. Windest month will be March. With the high temperatures are going to be so we're going to start off with the max with the high temperatures with more than 100. Average 66, 24 minutes. Low temperature 82 max, 49 average, 14 minutes. Precipitation 2.37 max, 0.16 average, no minutes. Wind 17.2 max, 6.88 with average, 2 minutes. With average 0.14 inch, record showing 0.38 inch with the year of 2017, so that's 2017. And then the average will be 70.83%, record showing 89.61% with 2000. With the snow will be average that are going to be nothing, and so is the record. Average with the wind showing 5 miles per hour, record showing 9.6 miles per hour with the year of 1981. Record high, you're not going to believe this, more than 100 degrees with 2011. Record low showing 62 degrees with the year of 2001. Average high nearly 90 degrees. Average low 73 degrees. So what you can see here, sunrise 6:04 a.m. 8:20 p.m. will be sunset. You can see here that they did the updates from the MSN Weather. So temperatures are going to be 83 degrees with a decrease with a peak of 92 degrees at 5 p.m. Overnight low of 76 degrees at 6 a.m. Cloud cover, sunny with 6%, increasing with clear sky at 2 p.m. Mostly clear sky, expect in the evening. With the wind, with the 5 miles per hour, with wind speed, 12 miles per hour, wind gust. Force 3, gentle breeze, steady with an average holding at 8 miles per hour, gust to 22. Expect from the south through the evening. Humidity, 62% with the relative humidity, 67 degrees dew point. Humid, decreasing with a low of 41% at 2 p.m. Very humid conditions expect in the evening. UV, 7. High maximum UV exposure. I want you to pronounce this. Exposure for today excuse me. Sorry about the stutter, guys. Maximum UV exposure for today will be high. Expect at 2 p.m. Air quality index 69. Moderate. With air quality with the primary pollutant PM 2.5 12. So I want you guys to pronounce these words. Let me know in the comments below what is the D word. With the pollen 56 with the main allergy weed. High, lower than yesterday. Main allergy weed. Well, we're not gonna go a lot of these stuff going on because we have to do the for today and tomorrow and the rest of the forecast. So we know today it's gonna be more than 80 degrees sunny, and then tomorrow it's gonna be rain showers around 85 degrees. Now, as always, ladies and gentlemen, here's the rest of the forecast. With Wednesday with 94 degrees, with mostly sunny. And then Thursday, same thing. And then Friday, this time it's going to be 95 degrees, mostly sunny. That's going to be on during the August. It's going to be coming up on Thursday. All right, moving on. Saturday with mostly sunny around 92 degrees. Now, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday and today will be mostly sunny. So we're gonna have mostly sunny with mostly of the all weeks, except Tuesday, it's gonna be rain showers with 85 degrees. And also, ladies and gentlemen, you do not want to miss the all-new season 10 of the YouTube recording. It's gonna be August 25th, right here at this channel. You do not want to miss that.